Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 EVS subject. As you know that your exam going to start on 19th November, right? So today I'll explain you paper style of your EVS subject. Okay, let's start. Your syllabus is lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Paper format. First question, choose the correct option. 10 marks. It have 10 marks. Question 2. Fill in the blanks. It have 8 marks. Question 3. True or false. It have 5 marks. Question 4. Match A with B. It will have also 5 marks. Question 5. Some methods of cooking are given below. Write name of 2 dishes cooked using each method. It have 4 marks. Question 6. Answer the following. It have 8 marks. So let's start the revision. Okay. Question 1. Choose the correct option. It is from chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7 and chapter 8 and chapter 9. First one. This is not a member of the family. Father, niece, cousin or friend. Yes, friend is a correct answer. Friend is not a member of family. Now the second one. Brother's daughter is called siblings, niece, cousin or nephew. Brother's daughter is called niece. Third one. Which of the following will learn from family? Cooking, cycling, stories or all of these? Correct answer is all of these. All of these will learn from family. Fourth one. Munni in Vipul's family is not able to eat dal, chapati, bhutta or all of these. The correct answer is all of these. When Vipul's dadi was the same age as Vipul is now, she could eat chapatis, go to school like Vipul, run quickly uphill or all of these. As we learn in the lesson, run quickly uphill. Okay. C is a correct answer. In Goa, Juni ate fish cooked in coconut oil. Coconut oil is correct answer. 7-1. Dash is made from rice. Halwa, chapati, pulao or all of this? Pulao. Pulao is made from rice. Pulao is a correct answer. Person who talk through action are deaf, dumb, both or none of this? Correct answer is both. Because people who is deaf also dumb, right? Next one. In dash, the hand and face are used to convey feelings. Here forgot to write option. Option is dancing, singing, running and walking. And the correct answer is dancing. In dancing, the hand and face are used to convey feelings. 10. If a child's favorite toy has fallen down and broken, he will be excited, happy, sad or angry? Yes, if a child's favorite toy has fallen down and broken, he will be sad. Sad is a correct answer. Deaf and dumb person understand what another person is saying by watching them, listening to them, speaking to them or studying their lip movement. Yes, studying their lip movement. 10. Which bird has a crest on its head? Parrot, peacock, kite or crow? Peacock. Peacock is a correct answer. Peacock has a crest on its head. 13. Which bird makes hole in trees to find worms to eat? It's a woodpecker. Woodpecker is a correct answer. Which grain eating bird is as white and brown colored? It's a pigeon. Pigeon is as white and brown colored. 15. Which bird has a sharp and crooked beak? Peacock, parrot, pigeon or crow? Yes, it's a parrot. Which bird uses its webbed feet to swing? Hawk, sparrow, duck or crane? Duck. Duck is a correct answer. Which bird stitches leaves to make its nest? Crow, sparrow, tailor bird or pigeon? Yes, it's a tailor bird. Tailor bird is a correct answer. Which of the following animals can fly but is not included in the bird kingdom? Ostrich, owl, hawk or bat? Bat. Bat can fly but is not included in the bird kingdom. Which bird can rotate its neck completely? Yes, it's a owl. Who was Apu? An elephant, a monkey, an elephant's friend or a fox? It's an elephant. Apu drank days till he was happy. Milk, juice, water or none of them? Apu drank water till he was happy. What does Apu like? Laddus, bananas, chilies or rotla? Yes, bananas. Apu like bananas. In which season do people use umbrellas and raincoats? In winter, in spring, in monsoon or in summer? Yes, in monsoon. Now question 2. Fill in the blanks. It is from chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 9. First one. The impression of a thing. The impression of a thing with a dash surface is easy to obtain. The impression of a thing with a rough surface is easy to obtain. Designs of flower leaves is seen more on days on beds. Designs of flowers leaves is seen more on bedsheets on beds. The tree whose leaves are small, thin and have saw-like edges is the neem. When leaves of dates are added to tea, they give a good flavor. When leaves of mint are added to tea, they give a good flavor. Fifth one. Plants like banyan, neem, mango and acacia are known as trees. Okay. Plants like basil, periwinkle and brinjal are known as bushes. The color of days of a plant is green. The color of leaves of a plant is green. The largest source of water is rain. The water of most rivers goes into the days. The water of most rivers goes into the ocean. Our days is not possible without water. Our life is not possible without water. The deep sources of water that has steps is known as step well. A dace is used to obtain water from the ground. A tube well is used to obtain water from the ground. Sea water heated by the dace changes to vapor and goes skyward and returns to earth in the form of rain. Sea water heated by the sun changes to vapor and goes skyward and returns to earth in the form of rain. Water is a day's wealth. Water is a natural wealth. Apu gets days from the banana tree. Apu gets bananas from the banana tree. An elephant drinks water with its trunk. Apu knew that the banana trees needed water because they were dropping. People use days to save themselves from rain. People use umbrellas to save themselves from rain. Plants need days for living. Plants need water for living. The rainy season is also known as the monsoon. Now the question number 3. True or false? It's from chapter 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay. First one. The children played Amli Pipli in the garden. It is a correct answer, a correct statement or wrong? It's a wrong because children playing plant fairy. Second one. The garden in which the children played game of plant fairy had plants like neem, mehndi and jasmine. Yes, it's a correct statement. The trunk of a rose plant is thick. Wrong. The trunk of a rose plant is thin. The leaves of a peepal tree are small, thin and have saw-like edges. It's a wrong statement because the leaves of a neem tree are small, thin and have saw-like edges. Fifth one. The impression of a smooth and soft trunk is easy to take. It's a wrong because the impression of a rough and hard trunk is easy to take. Sixth one. The shape, color and edge of every leaf is different. Yes, it's a correct. 7. The leaves of the neem are bitter to taste. Yes, it is also correct. 8. We can stay for a long time without drinking water. It's a wrong statement because we can't. 9. We should stop wastage of water. Correct or wrong? Yes, it's a correct statement. Water from the sea changes into vapor and goes high into the sky. It's a correct statement. There is a used water tank in the sky. It's a wrong statement. Farming is possible without water. It is also wrong statement because farming is not possible without water. Rain is the main source of water. Yes, it's a correct. Streams, rivers, lakes and walls are known as sources of water. Yes, it's a correct. Monu rented a house to stay in. It's a wrong statement because Monu stay in the pipe. Okay. 16. A house fly comes and stays in our house uninvited. Yes, it's a correct. 17. We clean the surrounding area of our house on festival and occasions. Right. A spider can fly. It's a wrong statement because spider can't fly. Rehana decorates her home on Ramzan Eid. Yes, it's a correct statement. Kuldeep celebrates Uttarayan with kites and sesame chikki. Yes, it's a correct statement. Now the 21. Bird can both fly and walk. Yes, it's a correct. Fish have feet and can swim. No, it's a wrong statement. Cows use their tails for walking. It is also wrong statement. 24. Dogs can walk, run and fly. It is also wrong statement. Okay students, so with this sentence we are come to end this video. Rest of 3 questions I'll explain you in our next video. Okay, so your homework is to read this assignment and memorize it. Okay, thank you.